Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are well. Friends, today's video is on unboxing. As you can see, I'm going to unbox these canvases which I have recently purchased. These are actually the 5 canvases of white color. So without wasting any time, let's open it. Actually, I have ordered them from Daraz, and I think the packaging is quite good, as you can see in the video. Friends, if you want to buy these canvases, you can buy them easily. The link is in description box. So these are the canvases. As you can see, my friends, these are of very good quality. Not very high in quality, but if you are a beginner, these are perfect for you guys. So friends, if you are new to my channel, kindly like and subscribe to it, and must share this video with your friends. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. And now we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.